folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we are installing Roman shades. Now we purchased these from blinds.com and they are not affiliated, they're not sponsoring this video. We purchased Roman shades for our family room and bedroom down in our basement renovation project that we've been working on. So when we went to install these, we didn't feel the instructions quite helped enough. So I'm hoping that this video will help you if you ran into some of the same challenges that we had.
First thing we did was figure out how far back in the window depth we wanted to install the shade. So we went 1 inch back from the window edge and created this template and then used a pencil to draw the mark. You'll notice that these brackets have a screw that is permanently installed and it sets into the hole that you see that's has a rivet there in the curtain. Some curtains slide left to right, but this one is very specific. So it's going to be really important to figure out where to screw in that bracket. So we had to measure from the edge of the curtain to the bracket and then figure out how to where to make those marks. You'll see here in a second within the window frame. So we suggest measuring the curtain width and then also measuring inside the window width. And the difference will be the amount that you want to add to each side for that measurement of where these holes should be drilled.
Oh, come on. Nope, we're off again. Quite a bit. Oh. Damn it. No, I'm gonna have to bend them. There's just no way to do that.
So you'll see here we're using a mallet to try and move the screw a little bit to the left or a little bit to the right, whatever adjustment that we needed to make to get these to fit into the hole. And again, some companies have a slider where it can move left to right, so it doesn't have to be quite as perfect. once you get the curtain through you get that screw through the curtain, then there's a wing nut that you install from the underside. And you can see we're using pliers here to turn that and tighten it.
Works. I'm gonna pull in the middle. You're supposed to pull where the little plastic things are. There it is.
Why is it sitting weird like that? Oh, it's because of this thing.
Yeah. Gotta take the tag off. That would help. So here's the Roman shades installed in the bedroom. As far as it goes up, so do take into consideration that it's gonna cut off the top more than just that valance piece of material, but I think it looks lovely. And I did also want to show the mechanism up underneath so you can see how the strings come in, and then has this little control center there. I don't know what to call that. Oops. And then the wing nut here, and you want to make sure to turn the wing nut the direction you see here. If you have it the other way, that string can get caught up in it and cause a problem. So these are the Oleander fabric design. I'll put some details in the description. I forget what the other one we did in the living room is called, so I will put that in the description of this video. And here's what it looks like down.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel, and we'll see you next time.